A legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Salmon burgers are a lighter, fish-forward alternative to beef patties, and when made with canned salmon, they are also one of the most budget-friendly seafood dinners you can put on the table. The Gone Fishin cookbook version from the Mr. Cipher. Through Test Kitchen uses canned red salmon combined with cream of mushroom soup for moisture, egg whites for binding, and a generous coating of plain breadcrumbs that crisps up beautifully under the broiler. Dillweed and sweet pickle relish sneak in bright, tangy flavor notes that echo a classic salmon salad, while onion powder adds savory depth. The patties are broiled rather than pan-fried, which keeps them lighter and lets the golden bread-crumb crust form evenly on both sides. Food Network Kitchen's widely referenced Perfect Salmon Burgers takes a different approach, using fresh salmon fillets pulsed in a food processor with Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, and cayenne. But the structural logic is the same, a protein base bound with egg and coated in panko, then seared until crisp. Allrecipes' popular canned salmon version likewise relies on pantry staples, oats, egg, lemon juice, mustard to bind flaked fish into patties that are pan-fried golden. All three recipes agree on the fundamentals. Drain the fish well, bind it just enough to hold together without compacting it, coat the exterior for crunch, and cook until the crust is deeply golden. The Gone Fishin version stands out for its clever use of cream of mushroom soup as a moisture builder and its broiler method, which makes it nearly hands-off once the patties are formed. Main ingredients: canned red salmon, drained, large bones discarded, 1-time can. Reduced fat condensed cream of mushroom soup, 1-time can. Egg whites, 2, sweet pickle relish, 1/4 cup. Coating, plain breadcrumbs divided, 1/3 cup. Seasonings, onion powder, 1 teaspoon. Dried dillweed, 1 teaspoon. For serving, sandwich buns, split and toasted, 6. Cooking spray, as needed. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. No cooking in this section. These are the prep steps to complete before you turn on the broiler. Step 1. Preheat the broiler and prepare the baking sheet. Set your oven to broil. Coat a rimmed baking sheet with cooking spray so the patties will release cleanly after broiling. Position the oven rack so the baking sheet will sit about 4 to 6 inches from the heat source. Step 2. Measure out the breadcrumbs for coating. Place 1/2 cup of the plain breadcrumbs in a shallow dish and set it aside. This is the coating you will press the patties into before broiling. The remaining 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs will go into the salmon mixture as a binder. Step 3. Drain and flake the salmon. Open the can of red salmon and drain it thoroughly. Discard the large bones, the small soft bones are fine to leave in, they are rich in calcium and blend right in. Flake the salmon with a fork in a medium-sized bowl, breaking up any large chunks. Step 4. Combine the patty mixture. To the flaked salmon, add the remaining 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, the entire can of condensed cream of mushroom soup, 2 egg whites, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried dillweed, and 1/4 cup of sweet pickle relish. Mix everything together thoroughly until all the ingredients are evenly distributed and the mixture holds together when pressed. Step 5. Form the patties. Divide the mixture into 6 equal portions. With your hands, shape each portion into a patty about 1/2 inch thick. Aim for uniform size so they cook evenly under the broiler. Step 6. Coat the patties. Press each patty completely into the reserved breadcrumbs, turning to coat both sides and the edges. The breadcrumb coating is what creates the golden, crunchy exterior. Place each coated patty on the prepared baking sheet as you go. Cooking steps. No prep in this section. Everything below assumes your patties are formed, coated, and on the baking sheet. Step 1. Spray the patties. Once all 6 patties are on the prepared baking sheet, give them a light, even spray of cooking spray on top. This helps the breadcrumb coating crisp and brown under the broiler rather than drying out. Step 2. Broil the first side. Place the baking sheet under the broiler. Broil for 4 to 6 minutes or until the tops are golden brown and crisp. Watch carefully, broilers vary in intensity and the crust can go from golden to burnt quickly. Step 3. Flip and broil the second side. Using a thin spatula, carefully turn each patty over. Broil for another 4 to 6 minutes, or until the second side is equally golden brown and the patties are heated through. The total broiling time should be 8 to 12 minutes. Step 4. Toast the buns. While the patties finish, split the sandwich buns and toast them cut side up under the broiler for 1 to 2 minutes, just until lightly golden. Keep a close eye on them. Buns toast very fast under the broiler. Step 5. Assemble and serve. Place each salmon patty on a toasted bun. Add lettuce and tomato along with your favorite condiments, tartar sauce, dill sauce, or a simple squeeze of lemon, all work beautifully. Serve immediately while the patties are hot and the crust is at its crispest.